Good afternoon, my dear friends and children. If you want to use the Excel and you want to calculate the discount, total amount, payments, like you are looking here the spreadsheet, then you have to apply the formula. There is many method to apply the formula for calculation. Just you are looking here, I am using the formula here for the calculation of discount percent. Suppose you want to calculate the product price discount. Suppose for the all the products that is here listed, given the 10% discount offer, then how you can calculate the discount? Just you have to write the cell address of this particular cell address, D column, row number 2, cell address of price of product, related product, and then you have to write into use the star for multiplying. Star is the operator, multiply operator, and then you have to use the 100, 10%, then 10 you can write in this way, 10 upon 100. Okay, this will be the 10% of this particular product keyboard price. Okay, you are looking here 29 rupees. Okay, and suppose you want to write the formula. This is the formula bar, you are looking here, and after this you can write this in this way. Just you have to write here 10 and then use the percent sign from your keyboard. There is given the percent sign in your keyboard. Look here how you can insert the percent sign from your keyboard. You have to firstly hold the shift key, place firstly here and hold the shift key, then you will see there is given the percent sign and above characters. As you know, above characters of the any key will be inserted using the shift key. Then you have to insert the percent sign here and press the enter key, then it will calculate. Okay, in the same way now you are looking here, the one product discount is calculated as 10% here, and you are looking here the mouse pointer, that is dragging pointer, thin plus black pointer इस कलर में होगा, and if you want to move the pointer here, you are looking four side arrow pointer will move the data from anywhere in the spreadsheet. And suppose you want to select the data, this is the thick white pointer plus sign that will provide you the facility of selection of the data. Then dragging pointer, you are looking here one dot of the cell and you have to drag it just simply in the column, and you are looking here 10% of the each product has been calculated as discount, and now you have to calculate the total amount. Then total amount, how will you calculate? You have to write the equals to sign, then cell address of the price, and then quantity you are looking here for multiplying the sign, shift, and then you will get the star sign, and then use the quantity cell address, then you have to go to the enter button. In this way the quantity total amount will be calculated of all product. Now you have to calculate the discount. Okay, so how you will calculate the discount? You have seen here one product discount is this, and suppose here is given these number of products, then you have to change the function. You have to change the function by multiplying by this and this cell address quantity also, and then you have to use the star sign by closing firstly the bracket, shift hold करेंगे, and then you have to press this bracket and this bracket. You have to again hold the shift key and press this bracket, and you have to use the star sign for multiplying. Now you are looking here, total discount percent of the product. Okay, no problem. This is the another bracket, that's why it is wrong, displaying the wrong. 1 minute. You have to use the small bracket that is given on the 9 digit, and this also you have to use here by pressing the shift key, this, and then press the enter key. In this way you can calculate the total percent amount on the particular all the quantity and of product. वन प्रोडक्ट पर पहले निकाला था मैंने, अब यू आर लुकिंग 45 प्रोडक्ट पर 10% डिस्काउंट निकालना है. देन यू हैव टू एंटर इन दिस वे फार्मूला. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पेमेंट अमाउंट, देन this is the total amount. You have to less the discount amount of the product. Now this, and you are looking here, you have to drag the again, then this will be the payment amount. And if you want to total up this particular payment amount, you have to go to the sigma option. You are looking here, sigma sum, this is auto sum. You are looking here, thus shortcut also sum, shortcut is sum. Bracket में there is given the shortcut keyboard option alt plus equals to sign. If you want to calculate the total, you are looking the total here, and if you press by the from the keyboard, then you have to select firstly this list, and you have to hold the Alt key and equals to sign. It will calculate the total. Okay, now you can write here total. Okay, this will be the calculation of the discount. I hope you understand about the calculation, how you can do the calculate the discount percent of any product list, and how you can make this list carefully. Okay, thank you. And suppose your children you want to add the title, add firstly the title. Suppose you want to add the title, one more cell, then you have to right click here, right click and insert one more cell, one more row. This is the row, and merge here and give the title here calculation of discount of product. Okay, I have given this title. You can you can increase the size of the list title. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Okay, bye.